beautiful motorcycle. The way I see it, the Street Triple R and that entire segment has moved up a notch. So while the bikes are more powerful, they are more fun, exciting and everything, I think they could be slightly handful for some of the newer riders, people stepping up from smaller motorcycles.
So my first impression was like cute and stylish, and I felt it is handy for the new bikers and even budding up bikers.
This is Anush from Bike India, and we've just spent 165 kilometers with the new Triumph Trident 660. And our first impressions are of a motorcycle that just anyone can ride and enjoy, even if you're a beginner or if you're an absolute veteran.
Hey guys, this is Sagar Shildekar from Living It Up. We are talking to you from Dehradun. This is my very first time here. It's an amazing place. Couldn't have asked for a better place to test ride the Trident. First impressions are very positive. It reminds me a lot of the Street Triple, which is very high praise. It's been my favorite middleweight naked for quite some time now. And yeah, it reminds me a lot of that. It's very nimble, very torquey, a lot of fun, very user friendly. It will appeal to new guys as well as the experienced folks.
It's comfortable, it's agile, it's having just the right kind of power band to keep you intrigued and engaged. And the most things that I like are three important things, or the things that I like the most is the handling, of course, and is the riding posture, far more friendly. And I like the fact that Triumph have not compromised. Like, I like the suspension, the brake setup, the riding modes, the TFT console, the entire package as a whole screams value. So I feel you got to give it to Triumph for going the extra mile in trying to offer an absolute firecracker of a value for money package with the Trident 660.
So the first impression about the Trident is that it's very fun to drive motorcycle, and the weight distribution is amazing. You'll be tempted to go around the corners, and when I rode it into the mountains, I felt that yes, Triumph has chosen the right track for us to experience the bike.
Hi, I'm Dhanil Veera, Chief Test Rider at Motorbeam, and I've been riding the Triumph Trident 660 today. The number 660 has been very interesting for me because it brings back the memory of the Street Triple, which was the 675, and that same impressions are coming back over here. It's a lighter motorcycle, it's a freer motorcycle. The first impressions with today's ride, I can say it's an entry-level motorcycle that Triumph always wanted, and now they've got it. And now the numbers are something that will talk for Triumph.
First impression was really good. Like, when I saw the pictures from that time also, only I was so tempted to get on the bike. And I was so excited for just hopping on the bike and riding it.
Hi, this is Zahur from Shutter Drives, Bangalore. I found the bike very agile to ride, and this is going to appeal to a lot of people both in traffic and long distance cruising. My first impressions also include about the quality, or the top-notch quality Triumph has provided, considering that it's very aggressively priced. It's not that you're burning a deep hole into your pocket and then you're getting all this. You're getting a lot more for what you pay compared to say the rivals which are from the other brands. And apart from that, last bit of the initial impressions is Triumph has targeted the young audience for this bike. It's not like Triumph has left out the very experienced ones. Of course they are there too, but this bike is going to appeal for people in the age group of say 20 to 30, 35 who are the first time users of a proper midweight performance oriented motorcycle, and they're going to love this bike.
The first impression is like it's a pocket rocket. You can just like spin it wherever you feel like. The best thing I feel right now I have is like I don't have a back pain, so that's the best thing I feel from the ride.
Okay, so I had the 675 earlier, and the Trident's like a lot more refined and a much better put together package, and it's a lot more livable on a daily basis. That's what I feel like. Well, it's very easy to ride, flickable, lightweight, so I mean, easy to live with.